Good morning, this is Rapsam. We have Gma Affordable Box 1, 2, no power. So I plug in the first one and no power. The same, no power. Two units with the same symptoms, the same trouble. Already opened the unit and we found two cups here bloated here. I replace it, then let's plug in again. Still we don't have power, so meaning there's a problem in this primary power supply section. The number of the components is not available in the market. We can convert this by putting another adapter or power supply. From easy, we're going to transfer to default. The next option is we're going to check the secondary by using this converter. Now we have 5 volts here from the power supply, and we can apply this to the circuit directly. Black one is the negative and the red one is positive. Now we're going to disable the defective side of primary supply, and we can connect our positive side at the rectifier diode here, this one here, this diode. This is the cathode of the biggest diode here. Positive DC supply and to the ground side of this unit. Any negative side this unit and try to power up. Oh, now we have power. We have the unit boot up. So we have CO1. Again I remove, nothing. So meaning you can put the power supply output at the cathode side of the diode and the ground side of the circuit. Let's check the other one. Continue with the same process. Oh, here. Luckily, the same problems, and we have output. So the solution is the same process. Here's the output, the positive 5 volt and negative. Here's the output of the new power supply, positive 5 volt. It's going to be connected at this diode, the biggest diode at the cathode side, and this negative will be in the heatsink or either of the ground side. Be sure that this rectifier diode is okay for connecting this positive output of the new power supply. And the remaining negative output of power supply will be connected. We're done soldering the negative side or the body side of the unit. We're going to plug in to see what happened. We have a power here and we have a channel 1. We're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Meaning the other unit also the same. You need to put in new power supply, and we're done. Here's our repaired output 1 and 2 off. And let's turn on. Here's the power supply replacement for the damaged primary power supply section.